Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So I have my daughter here and I've already prepped her nails. I used a buffer block to remove the shine from her nails. I filed her nails as best as I could, and then for the areas close to her nail folds, sidewall, and that little curvature of the base of her nail, I did use the pumice stone just gently just to remove the shine. And so I'm going in with Young Nails. I removed the dust off her nails, and I'm going in with Young Nails swipe solution to dehydrate the nail, and then I'll go in with Young Nails protein bond to give the gel polish something extra to stick to. And so I will be doing a wear test again with her, but this time I will post the final results in the community post, which you can access via your phone, because I want to get this video uploaded. Try to give it about 7 days. Her nails grow really fast, and so guys, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. The colors or polishes that I will be using are from Nail Reserve. They were formerly Nail Addict LA. They changed their name, and I still have their old bottles with the old branding and labeling on there. Still the same product. And I'm just going in and applying the base coat. You want to make sure that you apply the layers of gel polish in thin layers. You don't want to overload your brush. She has really petite nail beds, and so usually I have a tendency to get gel polish on her skin, which you want to try to avoid at all costs, because that could lead to the development of gel allergies. And if you do happen to get it on the skin, you want to use something like an orange wood stick or nail polish brush with alcohol or acetone to clean that off. And so I'm going to do that on all 5 nails, and then I'm going to give her hand a full 30-second cure in the LED lamp. So the color she chose was Milky Way. It's a shimmery light pink. She wanted some pink Halloween nails, and so I'm going to apply 2 coats of Milky Way and cure for 30 seconds in between each coat, and I will be capping the free edge of her nail as well. And this is a really nice pigment. Well, it's a sheer color, so to speak, but the second coat really brought the color together. You guys know I do like Nail Reserve's gel polishes, and so I'm just going in and doing that, cleaning up again any excess polish on the skin with the nail brush and alcohol, and then I'm going to cure. So after the second coat, again, I'm curing for 30 seconds. And so I'm going in with a lint-free cloth and some alcohol and wiping off the inhibition layer off of her nails, because we're going to go in and do some stamping and apply some Halloween stickers. And so I have a Maniology plate here. It's a subscription plate, and I'm going in with a cotton ball and some acetone to clean the plate off. I'm going to wipe any excess acetone off that did not dry, and I'm going in with Maniology's Bam White. You can go in with any white stamping polish, and I'm going to apply that, scrape at an angle, and pick it up. Now with the first image, I didn't put it on her nail kind of in the middle. She wanted that heart spider web on there. And so I end up, excuse me, placing it kind of towards the bottom of her nail. And so I did off camera wipe that off and repeat. And I'm just going to repeat that on her second thumbnail as well. And so I'm going to go in and apply some Halloween nail stickers. She wanted Boo, and I convinced her to let me put a little spider on there. I tore up the first sticker, and I was like, crap. So I just made sure that I did not tear up the other two stickers, because there wasn't that many Boo call outs on the sheet. And so I'm just using my nail art tweezers and pressing that to apply the not decal sticker, and just pressing that on the nail as best as I can to get that smooth. And so I'm going to repeat that on the other nail, and then I'm going to put some spider stickers. And I got those stickers, I want to say year before last, off Amazon. And so after I do that, I'm going to go in with Nail Reserves, the no wipe top coat. healed, apply that to all her nails and cure for 30 seconds as well. And so after I placed the spider and top coated, I did go in with some acetone and a lint-free wipe and remove any excess stamping polish that's kind of on her nail fold near her cuticle area, just to clean that up just a little bit more, and under her nail because her nails are she keeps them relatively short. So after her nails cooled off from being top coated, I do apply some cuticle oil, I do believe off camera, and I'll insert a shot or a photo at the end, so you guys will have to let me know what you think. Please like this video if you found value, leave a comment, again let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.